How you doing, guys? Welcome back to Advanced in Cars YouTube channel. So today and yesterday, Richard and Owen have been fitting the genuine Audi keyless entry on this 2019 Audi S4 B9 estate or Avant. The car has come to us already with keyless start. So the key is in your pocket. You can jump in and press the start button. There's no key to put in and turn, which is a nice feature. But the customer wanted a bit more of a comfort feature, and that was to be able to keep key in a pocket or a bag and unlock any one of the four doors and or the boot to be able to get in and out, so that this is only really in your pocket and it's not really a big deal. You don't need to worry about it. As long as it's on your person, then the key system works. So join me in how we have, or how this system operates. During the installation, the boys have had all four door cards removed, and as opposed to the previous e-tron that we did, the door handles actually don't get replacement parts. They get a new sensor pad fitted in, and then the wiring for each one of the sensor or touch door handles gets routed down in through into the car, connects up to the wiring, and then goes to the back to the BCM2 or the Central Electronics Control Module. Central Electronics Control Module needs to be the Highline model, otherwise it doesn't have the software or capability for it to work. But once all the wiring is done and all the door cards are put back together, you're then going to be able to touch the door handle like so and walk away from the car knowing that your car is locked without you having to physically press the button on here. Now, on a lot of cars that have got folding wing mirrors, people use that as a signal or a, identity to say, yeah, I've locked my car because my mirrors are shut. Now, this particular vehicle shuts its wing mirrors when you turn on and off the ignition or as a manual command. So unlike the Q4 e-tron that we had done originally, when you unlocked and locked, so for instance, the wing mirrors would open and fold. But it doesn't really matter, because either way, you've still got the indicator or the indicator lights on the vehicle like so. And if we want to, we can open the car like so. If you are getting out of the car or in the car and you've got your hands full, then this is a great feature. So we've done the front, and if I go to the back, car's locked. It's that simple. So this car previously came to us with only the ability for us to be able to unlock the car with the key fob, and the same with locking the car. Now this customer can walk around any of the four door handles here, and we can simply unlock or lock the vehicle that way. Now, if you join me at the back, this is all part of the keyless go system. This vehicle came from factory with the electronic boot lid, and some of them have the foot gesture control, but a lot of them don't, to be fair. And even though this car already, with the key in the pocket, was able to open the boot, so we haven't fitted that, just to let you know that. And when we shut it again, it also means that when the car is locked, so if I lock the car with the key, again, same principle, my key is in the pocket, I can simply open the boot like so. So it's a comfort feature that is really, really handy. If you've got a car like this and you want to be able to have keyless entry, it's not a cheap retrofit, but it is time consuming, using all genuine parts, carries or comes with 2 years warranty, then do get in touch with us, because it just means that you can keep your key in your pocket or your bag and get in and out of your car, lock your car, and also then start your car if you've got the keyless go. Website links in the bio. As usual, thank you for watching. Have a good day.